If you're setting up FanDuel and wondering whether you should be using a VPN, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people hear that VPNs can change your location online and assume they'll automatically work with FanDuel the same way they do with streaming services. But the reality is a little more complicated than that. You see, FanDuel uses sophisticated location verification technology, which means simply turning on a VPN isn't always enough. At the same time, a VPN can still be incredibly useful for protecting your privacy, securing your connection, and helping prevent data leaks while you're managing your account. So today, I'll walk you through how to use FanDuel with a VPN, explain what works and what doesn't, and show you the 3 VPNs I'd recommend when it comes to privacy, security, and reliability. And just a reminder, I'll include links to everything I mentioned down in the description below, including the best deals I can find for you guys. Now, before we get into the setup process, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions about VPNs and FanDuel. At its most basic level, a VPN changes your apparent IP address online. That's why people often use VPNs to access different streaming libraries on services like Netflix, Prime Video, or Disney+. But FanDuel works very differently. Instead of relying solely on your IP address, FanDuel uses advanced geolocation technology to verify where you're physically located. Depending on your device, that can include GPS information, nearby Wi-Fi networks, cellular data, browser signals, and other location indicators. Because of that, simply connecting to a VPN server in another state is often not enough to pass FanDuel's location verification process. And in some cases, it can even trigger location errors or additional verification requests. So while some users attempt to use VPNs to change their FanDuel location, it's important to understand that success isn't guaranteed, and there are risks if the platform determines that your location information doesn't match. Now, the good news is that there are still plenty of reasons to use a VPN with FanDuel. For starters, sports betting accounts contain a surprising amount of sensitive information. Between account credentials, payment methods, banking details, withdrawals, deposits, and identity verification records, there's a lot of data you probably don't want exposed. So, a VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a secure server. That makes it significantly harder for anyone on the same network to monitor your activity or intercept your information. And it's especially important if you're logging in from a hotel, airport, coffee shop, or any other public Wi-Fi network. Another benefit is privacy. Without a VPN, your internet provider can see the websites and services you're connecting to. A VPN helps reduce that visibility by encrypting your traffic before it leaves your device. And then there's performance. During major sporting events and busy betting periods, some internet providers may apply traffic management or throttling. A VPN can help prevent your ISP from identifying that traffic, which may help maintain a more consistent connection. So, with that out of the way, let's walk through the setup process. First, download and install your VPN on the device you're planning to use with FanDuel. Once you've signed in, head into the settings menu and enable important security features like the kill switch and DNS leak protection. The kill switch helps prevent accidental data leaks if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, while DNS leak protection helps ensure your browsing requests stay private. Next, connect to a nearby VPN server. And now this part is important. Rather than choosing a server that's far away, you'll generally want to connect to a server that's geographically close to your actual location. This usually gives you better speeds and helps avoid unusual location inconsistencies. Now, if you're using FanDuel through a web browser, opening a private or incognito window can help eliminate old location data that may be stored in your browser cache. Then, simply log in and use FanDuel as normal. If FanDuel asks to verify your location before allowing certain activities, you may need to disconnect the VPN temporarily and allow its geolocation tools to verify your actual location. Now, if you run into location-related issues, there are a few things worth checking. First, make sure location services are enabled on your device. If you're on a desktop computer, it's also worth keeping your Wi-Fi adapter enabled, even if you're connected through Ethernet. FanDuel's location verification systems often rely on nearby Wi-Fi networks, and disabling Wi-Fi can sometimes cause verification failures. You can also try clearing your browser cache, restarting the FanDuel app, reconnecting to a different nearby VPN server, or restarting any location verification software that's running on your system. And honestly, those simple fixes resolve a surprising number of location-related problems. Now, if you're looking for a VPN to use with FanDuel, these are the 3 I'd recommend. First up is ExpressVPN, which is my personal go-to. ExpressVPN operates over 3,000 servers in 105 countries and is one of the easiest VPNs to use. It uses its proprietary lightweight protocol, which is designed to deliver excellent speeds while maintaining strong security. One feature I really like is is its automatic obfuscation. Instead of forcing you to manually select special servers, ExpressVPN automatically disguises VPN traffic when necessary. It also includes network lock, which is ExpressVPN's kill switch, along with strong DNS leak protection and RAM-only trusted server technology. So, if you want something simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly, ExpressVPN would be my first choice. Next, we have NordVPN. NordVPN operates more than 9,000 servers across over 140 countries and offers one of the largest VPN networks available today. It uses NordLynx for fast and stable connections, and it includes features like Threat Protection Pro, obfuscated servers, double VPN, and dedicated IP options. So if you're someone who wants a deeper security toolkit and more advanced features, NordVPN is definitely worth considering. And finally, there's Surfshark. Surfshark operates more than 4,500 servers across 100 countries and allows unlimited simultaneous device connections. That means you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, and just about every other device you own under one account. It also includes features like Clean Web, Camouflage Mode, GPS override on Android devices, and Bypasser, which is Surfshark's split tunneling feature. So, if you're looking for strong features and the ability to protect an entire household of devices, Surfshark is a great option. And all three of these VPNs include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out risk-free. All right, so the biggest takeaway here is that a VPN can absolutely be useful alongside FanDuel, but not because it's some magic location-changing tool. And while VPNs can change your apparent IP address, FanDuel uses much more sophisticated location verification systems that go well beyond a simple IP check. So remember that where a VPN really shines is in protecting your account information, securing financial transactions, preventing data leaks, and helping keep your connection private on networks you don't fully trust. And with that said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more VPN reviews, privacy guides, and security tutorials. And just a reminder, I'll leave links to all 3 VPNs down below, including access to the best discounts I can find. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always enjoy reading through them and answering as many as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.